People, I'm there here this morning with these two lovely kids. Job say him have a sweetie to give a Natalia that he has made special for Natalia. Job, can you carry your sweetie up front, let the people see your sweetie? You made that sweetie. You get the paper and you wrap the sweetie for Natalia, right? What do you call your sweetie?
Popsicle.
Popsicle. Can you give Natalia the sweetie now? You don't pull out Natalia's sweetie. Can you wrap back Natalia's sweetie and give to her? I don't want to see the sweetie that you have for Natalia. Wrap Natalia's sweetie and give Natalia her sweetie. There is a sweetie, Natalia. You ready to eat your sweetie?
Yeah.
Can you pull out your sweetie and eat your sweetie?
Stop. Huh? This is a real sweetie.
Is that a real sweetie?
Yeah.
Can I see your sweetie?
This is a real sweetie.
Is that a real sweetie?
Yes.
What kind of sweetie is that?
It's a purple one.
Is that a purple sweetie?
Auntie,
So why did you throw away your sweetie?
I want purple.
Why did you throw away your sweetie?
Auntie, I want purple one. No, I want stone.
So
I want stone.
did you give Natalia a stone for mash out her teeth? Them people can have stone, sir?
No.
So why you give her a stone? You want she teethless, you don't want her teeth them pretty like for you? Eh? Natalia? Jav give you a stone for a sweetie. So what are you doing now?
I do my sweetie now.
Oh, you are wrapping up sweetie now. Okay. So what do you? So what? Orena, wait, Natalia. Sorry, Jav, get out of my video. What do you have to tell the people? Them say. What do you have to say to the people them that are watching you?
I think this stone.
What did you just said? I didn't hear what you said. So your sweetie drop a ground and you take up and eat it. That's not clean.
It's ready. Auntie, press the rectangle.
I turn on the pipe and wash it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my kitchen.
That is a kitchen. Okay.
Do the again. Squeeze it. There's nothing.
Show people them how they sanitize their hand.
Like this.
Yes. Rub your hand.